Hello, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This is where you get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock, including news of a commodity price shift that has big implications for New Zealand. Early this morning, the latest global dairy trade commodity auction has seen another fall, and an increasingly large fall in prices. In US dollar terms, prices fell 8.9%, but in New Zealand dollar terms it was even more fierce. They fell 9.1% in our local currency. This is the third large fortnightly fall in a row, bringing the drop to 19% in US dollar terms since mid-February, and a whopping 26% fall in New Zealand dollar terms. Since the last auction just 2 weeks ago, milk powders have fallen between 8.5 and 9%, and butter has fallen 11%. These are major movements, accentuating a worldwide drop in soft commodity pricing that started with soybeans and has been helped by weaker orders from China. Volumes offered are unchanged from 2 weeks ago, but they're almost treble what they were a year ago. Prices are now down 21% below the year-ago levels. Curiously, our exchange rate has not yet reacted, which heightens the drop in local currency. In other news, US manufacturing continues its expansion. The widely watched ISM index expanded to a very healthy 53.7. In China, their official factory PMI rose fractionally and still records expansion, even though two private surveys suggest manufacturing there is contracting. In Australia, the RBA held its cash rate target at 2.5% and said a longer period of interest rate stability is what they are now settling in for. Gold fell below $1,280 an ounce overnight. US Treasury benchmark 10-year bond yields at 2.75%, and the oil price fell about $2 a barrel. Stocks rose to record levels in New York on the S&P 500 in late afternoon trade. Incidentally, Business Desk is reporting that the New Zealand Commerce Commission is looking at possible manipulation of our currency market indexes. New Zealand dollar starts today at 86.5 US cents, the Aussie is at 93.6 Aussie cents, and the TWI is at 80.8. I'm David Chaston. That was 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.